So last week I finished my latest commission and there were three challenges that I had to overcome. First was working with a reference from a low quality screenshot. So I worked with some AI tools to improve the quality of my reference, and after a few prompts, the reference is looking decent. And this is how it came out. I used this website so you can check it out for yourself. Next was figuring out composition. So I took the AI generated reference, took it to Procreate to sketch out my plan for how I want the final portrait to look like. And I just wanted to really highlight the dark tones to evoke a sense of mystery and evoke strong emotions since it is a memorial piece. Next was trying to really get the dark tones. So I used charcoal and getting it to stick to the paper was challenging. I had to use a couple of layers of charcoal and fixative. And after a few layers, I literally finished an entire can of fixative to get this right. But after a few layers, I got my dark tones, and it was really essential to get that contrast into rendering that effect that I was going for. And 26 hours later, my piece was finally complete, and my client is happy. So I'm happy.